All right, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what we have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Lanmore BM1 truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. All right, so today what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration followed by two sound demonstrations. One demonstration is going to be a leakage test, and then the other sound demonstration is going to be a sound audio sample to the best of my ability. Now, recording the audio today, I am using my clip-on microphone, which you guys and gals can see in the secondary camera here. Okay, so this is how I'm going to attempt to give y'all a nice crisp audio sample. All right, now, as you can also see, I do have some copyright-free music pulled up right here, and I already have the earbuds, all right, connected up to the phone. Let me just show you real quickly. Right there, you can see the earbuds are connected up to the phone. Just so y'all know exactly what's going on here. All right. Now, before we get into the audio test, as I said, we're going to do a fitting demonstration. Now, I already have the earbuds in my ears, okay? I'm getting ready to show y'all in a second here, but before we dive into the fitting demonstration, I just want to give y'all a nice close-up of the buds as best I can. So if you would direct your attention to the B-roll that you're going to see up on screen right now, so y'all can get that nice crisp close-up of the buds, and I hope y'all enjoy that. And honestly, y'all, I think the overall design and the overall fit of these earbuds is top notch. This is something similar to the Galaxy Buds at almost a third of the price. So really good stuff. Well, not quite a third, a little bit less than half. So really good stuff in my opinion there. And I'm a big fan of this overall design minus the touch controls. All right. So really good stuff there, and I hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll close-up of the buds. Now, jumping right into the fitting demonstration, as y'all can see, I already have them in. I don't know how well y'all could tell, but in terms of the profile on these, it is indeed pretty good, and you can almost barely tell that I have earbuds in. Now, turning to the right, okay, you can see the right side here, looking good, okay. And in terms of the earbud tips, I do have the medium tips on. And in terms of the wings, I have the R2 wings on, or the R1 wings on. Whatever wings look almost identical to the Galaxy Buds, those are the wings that I'm using. I believe it's either the R1 or the R2 wings. And in terms of the earbud tips, I am using the medium earbud tips, all right? And in terms of the isolation, I have to say it's really good. With the earbuds in, I can barely hear myself talk right now. And once I start playing music, I can't hear anything but what I'm listening to. So really good overall fit, really good overall sound isolation in my opinion. And let me show you once again. So here's the left, looking good, and here's the right, looking good, okay? So real quick fitting demonstration there. Now let's get into these audio tests. So starting off, we're going to start with a leakage test. Now I have already maxed out the earbuds to 100% volume. Let me just show you here. So 100% volume, as you can see right there. Okay. And let's go ahead and push play. Now we got one tap, play, and pause on either earbud. So let's go ahead and push play now. Let's go. All right. And let me know if y'all can hear any leakage. Let's go. Okay, I can't move too much. My chair gonna squeak. Ooh! All right, let me pause this. Pause this real quick. Let's pause this. Alright, so I gotta tell y'all, in terms of the overall sound quality, these sound really good. In terms of the volume, they sound really good as well. And in terms of the bass, it sounds really good as well. Now, it's not the best bass I've heard. It is lacking a little bit of extra punch. But in terms of the overall bass, sound quality, and the volume, it is really good. Alright, so good stuff there. There is also nice instrument separation, so I can hear the drums, I can hear the bass line hit, and I can hear all of the different instruments in the track. So really good overall instrument separation as well. Good stuff. So that does it for audio sample number 1, the leakage test. Now let's go ahead and push play again, and I'm going to attempt to give y'all a nice sound sample. So let me restart the track here. Okay, just so y'all can hear from the beginning. Okay. Now let's go ahead and push play. And I'm going to go ahead and hold these up to the mic. And we'll do this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Starting now. Okay, that should do it. Let's go ahead and drop these back in. And let's push stop. Alright guys and gals, so once again, this has been a fit and sound demonstration of the Lanmore BM1 Bluetooth Truly Wireless Earbuds. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video, or as quick as I can make it anyway, and I hope y'all found it helpful. If you indeed found it helpful, y'all know what to do. I hope everyone is being safe out there. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. We are out of here. Peace, everyone.